So is my blogger website. People call how to index my blogger website on new Google Search Console. So how to access by the new blog website? First of all, select your Google Search Console that is called google.com/webmaster or webmaster/tools. Select it. After select this URL, to index your blogger website, your blogger will create by same email, same Gmail using by Google Search Console. No need any verification code required. This is new algorithm released by the bloggers. Simple. Copy the blog URL, select it, add property, always select here, click for continue. No need any code will be required. Fraction of seconds, blog will be indexed. Fraction of second, the new Google search console will be indexed. Select it, refresh. No need any verification code. Blogger will be created by same Gmail using by Google search console by same Gmail. That will be accepted by your option. Select here, copy, paste it. How to index on Google Search Console? Same procedure. Here will be URL, inspection, copy the URL, blogger, website, blog website, free WordPress, same procedure. To index your website by Google Search Console. Each URL we can check by the first of all index or not. That is called Google Search Console. Yours is on Google. So you say for Google is there. How to check? Copy the URL. This is called paste it. Is there? So easily promoted by latest games 2019. So finally, you can check your option. Test live URL. Always each URL can test by the your Google Search Console. The option call is URL inspection. The URL will be indexed or not. And PUBG game 2019. Copy the URL. Paste it. Select it. Not indexed. Home page index, but remaining page will be not indexed. How to check? Select it. Live track will be done. Okay. Everything will be checked is very important. Select it. Click and paste it. If it is not indexed on Google, they give intimate. Simply requesting to index. Simple step in a blogger and WordPress, same procedure. Blogger and WordPress. This is mean by the increase your page authority. Based on index, the website will increase the page authority. One is called domain will be based on the domain name selection. Second will be your index will be increased by the page authority. Submitting request will be successful done. The activation link will be indexed by your website exactly using by the within a 1 hour time. Sometimes take for 1 minute, take by 1 hour time. So always remember any URL will updating for Google indexing process. Video will taking for long time, content taking for less time. Content and video taking for less time. Only video without content you take the long time to index the website. Where in Google indexing process. This is called here. Is a testing for here. So this will be testing going on. Once testing will be done, we will take the time. Maximum take for 1 minute or less than 1 minute, less than 2 minutes. The based on the they are testing for live after indexing. So you have to wait for a few seconds. Finally, URL available on Google. So will be showing on your in this indexing process within a 1 hour, 1 minute time. This URL. After indexing, you have to rule one follow will be simple procedure. Just refresh the URLs for 5 to 6 times. This is very important for after indexing for new Google Search Console security. So just refresh. After that, copy this URL. This will be checked after 1 hour or less than 1 hour. Still is waiting list. Once it's done, they show your indexing process. You have to wait for up to 1 hour, less than 1 hour time. So this is called, we can using for blog website and new Google Search Console. Any new Search Console by blogger, no any verification for the bloggers for particular Google webmaster purpose. Any interviews, if asking question, Google Search Console for verification purpose, blogger can use code. Yes or no? No. Not required for any code by to activate blogger on the Google Search Console option.